Introducing the Lonvitalite Microneedle Derma Roller Face and Body Kit. Step 1. Prep the skin by cleansing thoroughly with your favorite cleanser. Then choose the appropriate attachment head for your desired area. The face attachment features fine needles to stimulate collagen production, improve texture, and reduces the fine lines and wrinkles for a smoother, more youthful complexion. For delicate areas like your eyes and lips, use the sterilized attachments to target fine lines, puffiness, and dryness, revealing brighter, plumper, and more hydrated skin. Step 2. Extend the benefits to your body with the body attachment, ideal for reducing the appearance of stretch marks, cellulite, and scars, while promoting firmer and more toned skin. Here's the bonus tip. The body attachment can also be used for scalp care to stimulate hair growth and improve scalp health. Always disinfect the Derma Roller before and after each use by spraying the Lonvitalite Derma Roller Sanitizer. Once dry, store in its case or a clean, dry place. Be sure to replace your Derma Roller after 2 to 3 months as the needle will start to blunt.